Have you ever wondered, is my life already predetermined or do I have a free will? Are my struggles simply part of the fate or I have the power to change my circumstances? If you have ever asked yourself these questions, you are not alone. Today we are going to deep dive into the most profound spiritual topics. Is everything in my life already written? And how does karma play a role in shaping your journey? By the end of this video, you are going to understand how karma influences your life path, how much control you truly have, and how you can break free from the repeated cycles. Plus, if you want to personalize insights in your soul journey, I'll share how an Akashic record reading can reveal the hidden truths about your destiny and empower you to make better choices. So let's get started. Number one, let's understand the concept of destiny versus free will. One of the most debated spiritual questions is whether our lives are pre-written or shaped by our choices. To understand this, let's break down into three key elements. Number one, soul contracts. Before birth, we make agreements, soul contracts that outline the key experiences, lessons, and the karmic debts. These aren't set in stone, but serve as guideline themes for our lives. Number two, karma as an influence, not a sentence. Karma is not punishment or rigid destiny. I've said it so many times. It's a law of cause and effect, meaning our past choices from this life and previous ones influence our current circumstances. However, we always have opportunity to shift our karmas through new actions. Number three, the power of the free will. While we may come into this life with a blueprint, with a soul journey, free will determines how we navigate it. Think of life as a novel. Certain chapters may be outlined, but the way of experience them depend on the choices that we make. Now understand what is the role of karma in your journey. Karma plays a significant role in shaping your experiences, and here is how it influences in different areas. Number one, relationship. Ever notice how you're drawn to certain people? Even those who bring you challenges, these relationships often are karmic in nature, meant to teach you valuable lessons. Number two, the career and the finances. If you find yourself struggling with money or feeling unfulfilled in your career, it could be linked to the past life actions or your ancestral karma. Number three is health. Some spiritual traditions believe that the chronic health issues may be tied to unresolved karmic patterns. And number four is the emotional patterns. Repeating cycle of fear, guilt, abandonment may stem from the unresolved past life experiences. But the good news that you can shift your karma. It's not a fixed fate, but rather a pattern that can be changed with conscious efforts. Now let's understand how the Akashic records reveal your karmic blueprint. How can we uncover the deeper reasons behind our experiences? This is where the Akashic records come in. The Akashic records are energetic archives of our soul journey, past, present, and potential futures. Think of them as spiritual database that contains information about your past life karma, how it is affecting you now, your soul mission, and why you incarnated in this life. Lessons you need to learn to break negative cycles, the best possible path to align with your highest purpose. By accessing your records, you gain a higher perspective that helps you understand why certain things are happening and how to move forward. Now let's understand how you change your destiny and how to break free from the karmic cycles. If everything was truly pre-written, then change wouldn't be possible. But we know it is. Here are four powerful ways to shift your karmas and change your life path. Number one, awareness and reflection. The first step in transition is awareness. Reflect on the patterns in your life. Why they keep repeating? Why challenges seem to follow you all the time? Number two, conscious choice making. Each moment presents a new opportunity to make different choices. If you were previously reactive, try responding with wisdom. If you lived in fear, try stepping into courage. Number three, the energetic healing and clearing. Practices like meditation, breath work, Akashic record healing, shadow work can help release the old karma. And number four, accessing your Akashic records. By uncovering the past life karma and the current life issues, you can actively rewrite your future. Now, let's understand that why an Akashic record reading is a game changer. If you feel stuck confused, trapped in repeating patterns, an Akashic record reading can be the breakthrough you need. Here how it can help. Number one, identifies past life karmic patterns affecting your present. Number two, reveals your soul contract with others in your life. Number three, gives clarity on your soul purpose. Number four, helps you make better decisions to shift your future. I have personally seen so many people have life-changing realization after an Akashic record session. If you are ready to break free from the limitation and step into alignment, I highly recommend you booking a personal Akashic record reading with me. So is everything in life already written? The answer is both yes and no. While certain soul lessons and karmic themes are chosen before birth, your free will determines how you navigate them. The beauty of life is that nothing is set in a stone. You are the creator of your own destiny. But by understanding your karmic patterns and using tools like Akashic Records, you can change your journey and align with your highest potential. So if this resonated with you, like this video, subscribe and comment below what karmic patterns do you feel is repeating in your life, and let's discuss in the comment section. And if you want personalized guidance, book your Akashic Record reading today and start transforming your life from a place of wisdom and empowerment. Until next time, trust your soul journey. You have the power to rewrite your destiny.